It's a lady in London here, and today I want to take you around London's Clerkenwell. This area is known for its great pubs, amazing history, good food, and great streets to explore. I hope you enjoy visiting, and I hope you get a chance to see it yourself someday too.
There are a lot of places you can start your explorations, but if you don't have any other ideas, Farringdon Station is a good place to start. The streets around Farringdon Station are some of the best in the area. There are a lot of little alleys and passageways to walk down here, and every street seems to have a little surprise at the end. Cowcross Street has good pubs and restaurants and cafes, and it leads down to St. John's Street, which also is famous for its restaurant scene. There are a lot of iconic places here to eat and drink. Elsewhere in the area, Hatton Garden is London's diamond district. This is a famous place to come to get engagement rings and other diamond jewellery. And then there's my favourite street in Clerkenwell, which is Exmouth Market. This street is amazing for restaurants, cafes, pubs, and pretty much everything else you can imagine that has to do with food or drink. It's a great place to come for dinner or lunch or just to pick up a coffee. I also love the side streets around Amwell Street in Clerkenwell. They have beautiful houses with colourful doors and lots of little passageways to explore. And that's to say nothing of Amwell Street itself, which has great shops and pubs and one of my favourite coffee shops in London. Clerkenwell has great squares too. St. John's Square is full of great restaurants and bars and even a little museum. It's a fun place to come and wander around. Bleeding Heart Yard is also a fun place to explore. It's steeped in history and has some cafes and restaurants inside. It also has Dickens connections. It was the home of the Plornish family in Dickens' novel Little Dorrit. Up near Amwell Street, there are some more great residential squares to explore too. Wilmington Square is particularly pretty with its garden in the middle. On the other side of Amwell Street, Middleton Square Gardens is beautiful, especially with St. Mark's Church right in the middle of it. There are some colourful doors and great houses to see all around it as well. Clerkenwell has no shortage of great pubs too, from international pubs that can make you feel like you're traveling the world to classic British boozers. There's a choice for everyone. The Eagle is considered one of the most famous pubs in the neighbourhood. It was considered the original gastropub and pioneered pub dining in London. Clerkenwell also has its share of markets. My favourite is the one on Leather Lane. On weekdays it fills with traders selling all kinds of prepared foods for lunch. There's also a lot of great restaurants, cafes, and coffee shops lining the street, so there's always something to enjoy no matter when you're here. In addition to being a design district, Clerkenwell also has museums with lots of history. St. John's Gate houses the Museum of the Order of St. John, which tells the story of the ancient religious military order which has been around since the 11th century. It's a stunning place to see all the history of the order, and also has a beautiful garden across the street that you can explore.
I hope you've had a great time looking around Clerkenwell with me. This area is worth a wander, and it's great for locals and visitors alike. As always, there's more on my blog, aladyinlondon.com, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel before you go.